Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to disable lock screen ads and tips in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Windows sometimes shows ads, suggestions, and trivia on the lock screen via the Windows Spotlight feature. While some users find this helpful, others prefer a cleaner and distraction-free experience. Luckily, turning these off only takes a few steps. Let's get started. Click the search icon on the taskbar and type Settings. Click Select Personalization from the left panel. Click on Lock Screen. If you're using Windows Spotlight, this setting will not apply. Change the background to Picture or Slideshow. Below the background preview, you will see Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and more on your lock screen. Uncheck this box to disable. Do this for both Picture and Slideshow modes. And that's it. The tips and tricks on your lock screen should now be turned off. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.